Have you ever wondered how China became the most innovative agricultural powerhouse on the planet? While much of the world is still relying on traditional farming, Chinese engineers are building machines so advanced they feel like scenes from a sci-fi movie. From robots that collect thousands of chickens per hour to tractors that drive, analyze, and make decisions completely on their own, China's agricultural technology isn't just futuristic. It's already transforming real farms across the world. Today, you'll discover the 8 most revolutionary Chinese agricultural machines pushing global farming into a new era. And trust me, the final one will completely change how you imagine the future of agriculture. Number 8. Automatic chicken collecting, Robot We. Start with a machine that looks terrifying at first glance. But for farmers, it's a miracle. Imagine collecting 50,000 chickens in a single day, manually. This job used to require dozens of workers working non-stop, but this robot does it effortlessly. This beastly machine uses a gentle suction system to pick up to 8,000 chickens per hour, moving them through pneumatic tubes without harming them. Its intelligent sensors adjust pressure based on each bird's weight and size, reducing stress by up to 70% and improving meat quality. One machine replaces 40 workers, never gets tired, and operates 24/7. Number 7. AI-powered agricultural fumigation drone. Next, we have a drone that has completely changed the way crops are protected. Traditional fumigation wastes nearly 60% of chemicals. This drone fixes that. It uses AI, spectral cameras, and real-time mapping to analyze every inch of a field, detecting pests, diseases, and nutrient issues before the human eye can see them. With a 50-liter tank, it covers 25 hectares per charge and flies at 10 meters per second. But the real magic, it can fly in synchronized swarms, covering huge fields in perfect harmony like an aerial ballet. Number 6. AI fruit and vegetable harvesting, Robotics. Robo2 harvest delicate fruits seemed impossible. Until now, this machine identifies ripes produced using spectral imaging, evaluating color, firmness, size, and even texture in milliseconds. It recognizes over 200 crops, picks an apple every 7 seconds, and works 20 hours a day without slowing down. With 95% accuracy, it outperforms even expert human pickers and learns from each harvest to get better over time. Number 5. Intelligent cotton harvester. Cotton is notoriously difficult to harvest without damaging its delicate fibers, but China's cotton picker cracked the code. Using a mix of gentle suction, brushes, and humidity sensors, it maintains fiber quality while collecting up to 15 tons per day, performing the work of 200 manual pickers. Its optical system even sorts cotton by quality in real time, analyzing purity, length, and strength. Even in bad weather, it adjusts speed and pressure automatically to protect fiber quality. Number 4. Autonomous multifunction farm helper. Think of this as the ideal farm employee, except it never gets tired, sick, or distracted. This compact robot performs 50 tasks, from planting and watering to monitoring crops. Its modular system lets it switch tools instantly: sprayers, cutters, seeders, you name it. After a few weeks, its AI learns the unique needs of every plant on the farm. It remembers growth patterns, water requirements, and pest risks. It runs for 16 hours, climbs slopes up to 35, and charges itself automatically. Farmers report 35% more productivity and 50% less resource usage. Number 3. Artificial intelligence animal feeder. In third place, we have a machine that redefines livestock farming. Feeding makes up 70% of farm costs. But this robot changes everything. It prepares and distributes personalized feed, 24/7, mixing up to 15 ingredients with gram-level accuracy. Using AI, it creates diets based on age, weight, health, and production level. It even adjusts formulas if it detects an animal lose an appetite and rejects spoiled feed automatically. One unit feeds 500 animals, boosts milk production by 25%, and cuts waste by 40%. Number 2. Fully automated and intelligent poultry farm. This ISNTA machine, it's an entire smart ecosystem. This system monitors millions of birds individually, using cameras, microphones, and thousands of sensors. Water, purification, climate control, feeding, egg collection. Everything is automated. Its biggest breakthrough, it can detect diseases 72 hours before symptoms appear, preventing massive losses. With 90% lower mortality, 40% more egg production, and 60% lower operating costs. This is the future of poultry farming. Number 1. The intelligent, autonomous tractor. At the top of the list is a machine that redefines modern farming. This tractor needs no driver, uses AI to make decisions, and navigates fields with 2 centimeter precision using GPS, LiDAR, and 360 cameras. As it moves, it scans soil in real time, adjusting planting depths, fertilizer levels, and speed every meter. It works 24 hours straight, charges itself, and coordinates with other tractors like a perfectly planned team. The results are unbelievable. 50% more productivity, 70% less fuel usage, zero human error. It's like having the world's best operator working non-stop. These machines prove a simple truth. The future of agriculture isn't coming, it's already here. While the world debates AI, China is using it to feed millions more efficiently, and sustainably. So tell me, which machine impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible tech content. See you in the next one.